how to manage speed limit on autopilot in every Tesla. Let's begin. Alright, so in order to have access to those settings, let's start by using the standard screen. Here let's find and select the car icon in the left down corner. From the following list, of course, you need to choose the autopilot. Here you've got all information and settings that can be connected with autopilot. In my case, let's focus on the speed limit. You can choose the current speed, for example. So if you are driving your car and you would like to activate the autopilot, the car will set the speed limit to the current one, but you can also choose speed limit and it could be fixed, for example with offset with 10 kilometers offset, or you can choose percentage and it could be from 0 to up to, let me check, the maximum one is 30%, sorry. As you can see, if we tap fix, the maximum one is 10 kilometers per hour. And you can also change the options with speed limit warning. It could be a display with this warning, or you can use chime to hear this also. And as you can see, speed limit can be relative, for example with offset 2 kilometers, or absolute, so you can choose the absolute speed limit of your car. In my case, the highest one is 240 kilometers per hour, but let me change it to 180 kilometers per hour. It's enough for me. And okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.